There it goes. There it goes. Ooh, that one made a loud crack. There it goes.
Oh, wow.
That made a crack, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so we have an interesting case. The cat's name is Riley. Riley's approximately 7 years old, right?
Yes, that's
we have
correct.
Gina here today, and your partner is Oscar.
Yes.
So one of the reasons you brought him in is because Riley's been walking really weird,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Has a very weird gait.
Yeah.
You've been to the vet. They've checked every joint in his body.
Her body.
Her body,
Right.
Riley's
Yeah,
a girl.
yeah.
And they never really found anything and
No.
said, you know, you have this cat that was born this way, has this type of situation. The short time that I was with her, I really think this cat is totally deaf. So I also think Riley's pretty much blind, like as blind as you can get. Riley doesn't really see me coming. So my point is, I don't know the cause of blindness. It could be a vestibular issue. It could be many different things. But Riley will walk weird because cats are one of the most amazing athletes on the planet Earth. They're one of the most perfect predators of any species. They perceive their environment, they take in everything, their eyesight, their athleticism, their ability to perceive sound, temperature, movement, shadows, flashes. So you take that all away from Riley, and Riley's gonna walk like if you wake up in the middle of the night and it's pitch black and you're looking for the light switch, you're like this, whoa. You're not gonna walk smooth, you're gonna walk like this, and that's how Riley walks. So let's get Riley on his feet right now and see how Riley walks. And on one hand, it's probably a little upsetting to Gina and Oscar that I'm telling them this, but on the other hand, I'm really telling them this because I want them to feel relieved, knowing they don't have a cat that's in pain, a cat that's damaged from falling off of the kitchen counter and damaging its spine. It's not riddled with arthritis at the age of 7. It doesn't have a type of hip dysplasia or dislocation that needs surgical intervention. It doesn't have a torn ACL or torn up elbow or some type of damage that would be really horrifying to know that our loved pet is in constant 100% pain. And I probably can't change its squareness of its gait because it's choosing that posture to deal with gravity. So quadrupeds are on 4 feet, we're on 2. We're bipedal, they're quadrupedal. And when you pick a more narrow, squared up 4-point stance, it's because you're confident. But if you go wide, it's because you're trying to perceive your environment and handle the imbalance that you're feeling. And again, gravity's pulling against you.
Nothing, yeah.
You can feel the wind.
Yeah.
I just created wind,
Yeah.
a sheet. So this is a cool diagnosis in a way, in my opinion, because now you know what you're dealing with. If someone could tell me differently, that's my diagnosis. You know, and you can take them all over the world and go to every expert, but that's the deal. And she's walking funny because she needs to navigate her world. And this is the greatest athlete on the planet. You know, one of the greatest athletes on the planet is the cat. This one doesn't have some of the greatest tools in the toolbox that's available to cats. So the world is going to feel really spooky and really weird. May I work with you a little bit today? How do you feel about that? Okay, I'm going to be very gentle, and I'm going to start up here. Is it okay if I work with her?
Of course. She's
Okay.
very sweet and very
Sweet.
gentle.
So I'm up here at your atlas. It does feel quite balanced. So I'm going to come down the neck. Little spot here at C2, so I'm going to just rub that for a second. There it goes. Coming down your back. Cats have 7 bones in their neck, 13 in the thoracic, and 7 lumbars. We have 7, 12, and 5. Horses have 7, 18, and 6. And I'm going to come down your back, and here's a little one here. There you go. Ooh, that cracked. Do you hear that one?
Yeah.
Good. Here's another one. So now we're into the good. And that one is T13L1, which is the thoracolumbar junction. And here's a lumbar, and now we're down into the sacrum. Oh, that's a little tricky spot there. Okay, so let's just get that one for you. There it goes. Ooh, that one made a loud crack. So let's check your front legs. Ooh, there you go. Let's check this leg. Good. Check your little rib cage. Check your leg. Pull your leg up. Ooh. A little tight, but that's okay. Check your back leg. Back legs are a little stiff, but not bad. The hips are intact. Let me do a little one here at your sacrum. There it goes.
Oh, wow.
That made a crack, right?
Yeah.
Good. All right, let's walk around a little bit. And notice the wide back end. So that's it today. You know, they can come back and do a tune-up once a year if they want, but I don't feel like there's a need to go further. The cool thing is now you know you have. Love this cat till the day she dies, and just be with her and make her feel comfortable and loved. That's the only thing you need to focus on. And if you want to travel all over the world to look to see if someone can give you a more definitive diagnosis about blindness, I'm sure there's people out there that, you know, can give you like a technology assessment of it. But look at this.
No, nothing. Nothing. She couldn't be bothered.
That's a blind cat and a deaf cat.
Okay.
All right, thanks everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
I love your cat.
Thank you.
If you ever decide you don't want that cat, I will take it.
Oh, no. We're keeping that for sure.
I love your cat. But I think you got a winner there, and she just happens to not be able to figure out where she is.